तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा सुरमुनि वंदित गुणशीला सुरमुनि वंदित गुणशीला गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा सुरमुनि वंदित गुणशीला गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा सुरमुनि वंदित गुणशीला सुरमुनि वंदित गुणशीला गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा सुरमुनि वंदित गुणशीला गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा सुरमुनि वंदित गुणशीला गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा सुरमुनि वंदित गुणशीला सुरमुनि वंदित गुणशीला गजमुख गजमुख गणनाथा
मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी अम्बे भवानी अखिलांडेश्वरी अम्बे भवानी अखिलांडेश्वरी मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी राजीव लोचनी राज राजेश्वरी राजीव लोचनी राज राजेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी आनंद रूपिणी साई शिव शंकरी आनंद रूपिणी साई शिव शंकरी मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी अम्बे भवानी अखिलांडेश्वरी मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी राजीव लोचनी राज राजेश्वरी आदि पराशक्ति श्री परमेश्वरी आनंद रूपिणी साई शिव शंकरी आनंद रूपिणी साई शिव शंकरी मंगल शुभकरी माता महेश्वरी
दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां दुर्गे 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 जय जय मां अम्बा दुर्गे 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 साई मां अम्बा दुर्गे 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 साई मां करुणा सागरी काली कपालिनी जगदोधारिणी जगदोधारिणी अम्ब दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे दुर्गे जय जय माँ अम्बा दुर्गे 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 साई माँ करुणा सागरी माँ काली कपालिनी माँ जगदोधारिणी माँ अम्बा दुर्गे जय जय माँ अम्बा दुर्गे साई माँ दुर्गे दुर्गे दुर्गे
झुमक झुमक झुम घुंघरू बाजे नाचे घनश्याम
साई गोपाला श्याम गोपाला नंद किशोरा माखन चोरा नंद किशोरा माखन चोरा यशोदा बाला गोपाला यशोदा बाला गोपाला साई गोपाला श्याम गोपाला साई गोपाला श्याम गोपाला गिरिधर मेरे गोपाला साई गोपाला श्याम गोपाला नंद किशोरा माखन चोरा यशोदा बाला गोपाला साई गोपाला श्याम गोपाला साई गोपाला श्याम गोपाला गिरिधर में गोपाला परतेश्वरी जग जननी परतेश्वरी जग जननी जय 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 हे साई जननी जय 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 हे साई जननी परतेश्वरी जग जननी वेद कलामयी देवी भवानी वेद कलामयी देवी भवानी जय जय हे साई जननी भक्तीश्वरी जगत जननी वेद कलामयी देवी भवानी नाद विद्यामयी नारायणी करुणा सदनी करुणामयी माँ शरणं शरणं साई माँ जय 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 हे साई जननी जय 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 हे साई जननी परमेश्वरी जगत जननी
युग युग के अवतार तुम्ही हो युग युग के अवतार तुम्ही हो मेरे राम मेरे श्याम शिरडी साई पतिरा मेरे राम मेरे श्याम शिरडी साई पतिरा जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो युग युग के अवतार तुम्ही हो अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दो भगवान सबको सन्मति दो भगवान अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम शिरडी साई पतिरा अल्लाह ईश्वर तेरे नाम शिरडी साई पतिरा जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो युग युग के अवतार तुम्ही हो मेरे राम मेरे श्याम शिरडी साई पतिरा जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो युग युग के अवतार तुम्ही हो तेरे नाम शिरडी साई पतिया जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो जग के पालनहार तुम्ही हो युग युग के अवतार तुम्ही हो
हे कृष्णा हे कृष्णा हे कृष्णा हे कृष्णा विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा नंद किशोरा श्याम गोपाला नंद किशोरा श्याम गोपाला श्याम गोपाला मदन गोपाला श्याम गोपाला मदन गोपाला श्याम गोपाला मदन गोपाला श्याम गोपाला मदन गोपाला जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा हे कृष्णा हे कृष्णा विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा नंद किशोरा श्याम गोपाला श्याम गोपाला मदन गोपाला श्याम गोपाला मदन गोपाला विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा पांडुरंग 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 विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंग विठ्ठल जय पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा हे कृष्णा
सुब्रह्मण्यम शंभुनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 शंभुनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 शंभुनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम Subramanyam, Subramanyam, Shanmuganatha, Subramanyam. Shiva 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 Subramanyam, Hara 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 Subramanyam. Om Shiva 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 Subramanyam, Hara 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 Subramanyam. Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam, Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam. Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam, Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam. Shiv Saravana Bhava Subramanyam, Guru Saravana Bhava Subramanyam. Jai Shiva Saravana Bhava Subramanyam, Guru Saravana Bhava Subramanyam. Om Shiva Saravana Bhava Subramanyam, Guru Saravana Bhava Subramanyam. Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam, Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam. Shiva Shiva Hara Hara Subramanyam, Hara Hara Shiva Shiva Subramanyam. Subramanyam, 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 Subramanyam. Jai Subramanyam, Subramanyam, Subramanyam. Om Subramanyam, 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 Subramanyam.
Sai Ram. On many occasions in the 1980s and the 1990s, Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba, our dear Swami, would come out in between the darshan and the bhajan sessions and interact casually with the students of his educational institutions. Interestingly, on some of these occasions, there would be a host of VIPs, industrialists, businessmen, political leaders, and people of influence waiting to have a word with Bhagwan. But Bhagwan would ignore all of them and come and speak to the students. And while speaking to the students, he would often refer to the people waiting to meet him and say, "Look, such and such a minister has come. This businessman has come. This industrialist has come." To a lay person, it would appear as if Swami is making those VIPs wait and yet talking about them to the students. But then, like all of the thoughts, words and deeds of Swami, this act too has profound meaning and implications for all of us for all times. To understand the insights of that episode better, let us enjoy the life experience of Mr. Mohan Mirpuri. Mr. Mohan Mirpuri came to Bhagwan in the 1970s and he was a very influential and successful businessman and industrialist from Indonesia. During the many interactions with Bhagwan, Swami advised him to give up his old ways and start a business that would set him on the right path. Taking Swami's advice very seriously, he started a garment manufacturing business, and that business too began to thrive and grow. Mr. Mohan became extremely wealthy. But then, disaster struck one day in the form of a raging fire that burned down everything. Seeing his entire life's effort crumbling down in moments, Mr. Mohan just rushed to India to Puttaparthi to seek solace from Bhagwan. In his love and compassion, Swami granted him a personal audience. In the interview room, as Mr. Mohan sat at Swami's lotus feet, Bhagwan was reading some letters. As Swami completed reading that letter, Mr. Mohan told Swami, "Swami, my entire life has been burnt to ashes. I don't know what to do." Swami ignored him, picked another letter and began reading it. Now, as Swami completed reading this letter, Mr. Mohan again said, Swami, my life is finished. My life is devastated. You only must help me. Once again, Swami ignored him and picked up another letter. Just imagine being in the interview room one-on-one with Bhagwan and Swami ignoring you. After half a dozen letters, Swami looked at Mr. Mohan and asked him, "Do you know Mirabai?" He replied, "Yes, Swami." "She had to drink poison. Have you been made to drink poison?" Mr. Mohan said, "No, Swami." "Is your problem greater than Mirabai's problem?" Mr. Mohan replied, "No, Swami, my problems are nothing compared to Mirabai's problems." Swami said, "Till now you were saying that you are facing a life-devastating situation and now you say that your problems are nothing? Mirabai faced a life-devastating situation and yet she emerged unscathed, smiling, peaceful and blissful." Swami lovingly told him, "Don't worry. Just think that all your bad karmas have been burnt to ashes." At that point in time, Mr. Mohan Mirpuri remembered Swami's message, which Swami had delivered time and again in his discourses.
కనుక భగవంతుని మనం ఆశ్రయించాలి. అప్పుడే మనకు శాశ్వత ఆనందం మనకు లభ్యమవుతుంది. ఇట్టి శాశ్వత ఆనందం మనకు అనుభవించినప్పుడే మనం కూడాను శాశ్వత జీవితం జరిగిపోతుంది. కానీ ఈనాటి మానవుడు అప్పటికప్పటికి అనుభవించేటువంటి ఆనందమే శాశ్వతానందమని భావిస్తుంటాడు. కనుకనే శంకరుల వారు కూడాను మా కురు ధన జన యౌవన గర్వం హరతి నిమిష కాల సర్వం మా కురు ధన జన యౌవన గర్వం.
As Mr. Mohan sat in silence looking at Swami, Swami gave him a few thousand rupees and told him, "Go back to Indonesia, start business, and whatever life gives you, don't fight against it. Say yes and accept it." Mr. Mohan returned to Indonesia and then the amazing things began to happen one after another. A contractor friend of his came to him and offered to rebuild his entire factory for a meager down payment. The rest of the money could be paid later on. Once the factory had been rebuilt, an American clothing and accessories retailer with more than 3,000 stores worldwide came up to him with an amazing offer. The retailer was ready to lease and maintain all the machinery that the factory needed if only Mohan was ready to be the company's subcontracted manufacturer in Indonesia. Once again, Mr. Mohan said yes and accepted it. Thus, the factory and machinery were all ready in a matter of months. But they could not be run without employees. And that is when the former employees of Mr. Mohan came to him with an unbelievable offer. They knew that he was a good man and so they said that they were ready to work for 3 months without any wages and he could pay them after that. In just a few months after the fire, the factory was now up and running. By 1990, Mr. Mohan's business was roaring and he had repaid all his debts and he was richer than what he was before. In fact, as a token of his love and immense gratitude to Swami for the grace and the life-changing lessons that he had imparted, Mr. Mohan built a music college at Puttaparthi. Swami named it the Sri Sathya Sai Mirpuri College of Music. We realize that Swami is giving us a very powerful message. He is telling us, look at those political leaders. You know how much influence they have? Yet they have come to seek from me. Look at those business people. Do you know how much wealth they have? They can possibly buy up cities and towns. And yet they have come to seek from me. My dear children, I have offered myself to you. Please don't go about seeking anything else. Seek that, seeking which you will never have to seek ever again. Let us not get satisfied and distracted by flimsy, paltry trinkets of the world. Let us seek the greatest wealth. Let us seek God Himself. Let us seek our dear Swami alone. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.
श्री स्कन्दविनायक सविता पावततु ब्रह्ममर्दतु यत्त्वशक्तितु हे श्रुतिका प्रभुतु रुद्रविष्णुतु रामकृष्णतु रहीमतावतु वासुदेवतो विश्वरूपतु चिदानन्दहरितु अद्वितीयतु अकालनिर्भय आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्तजना संरक्षक भक्तजना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वर ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतीका आश्रित कल्पलतीका आवद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं मर्यन्तयो नीवे स्वामी मर्यन्तयो नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेव मंगल हारति अंधको मंगल हारति अंधको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम शांति 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 सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु।
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सती साई महाराज की
समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो